What's up, Auto Body Nation? Hope everyone's doing well. Give me some quick feedback. Let me know if you can hear and see the video here. So I know that I'm not talking to myself, and make sure the connection is okay because I actually just switched up. I didn't switch, I upgraded the internet for our tenants on the property here. And the connection is I think it got worse near my shop area. So give me a quick update. If you can hear me loud and clear. Awesome, awesome. Thank you, Lizmore98. Everybody in the house, give a quick shout out where you're tuning in from, where in the world. I am over here in Dallas, Texas. Beautiful day today. Getting warm. Got the 67 Chevelle project on the ground. What's up, Gary? I see ya, VIP member. What's up, Gary? How many VIPs on the call? Give a quick shout out. VIPs getting in. Type in VIP. Type in where you're from. And give a holla, and I'll holla back, y'all. Holla back. What's up? Give a quick like as well. What's up, Bill? I see ya, Bill. I see ya. So, guys, I just want to give you a quick update on this project. I actually put in a full day yesterday. VIP Utah, holla back. Mr. Kamaludin. Yo, yo. Dallas, Texas in the house. Sweet. Yeehaw. All right. So check it out. She's sitting pretty. She is sitting pretty. We don't have drop spindles on this thing, but we do have drop springs. So it's about 1.25 inches shorter in the front, lower in the front, and we got air shocks in the back. And right now it's deflated, so it's pretty much sitting low. I can raise it up. It's a pretty cool feature to have air shocks in the back. So what we're doing right now is the wiring. I still have to put the master cylinder in. Engine's in. Custom drive shaft is in. I hooked up our brand new shifter column linkage by Locar right over here to our 700R4 transmission. So now, if we do this, what's up, Texas? We are literally, it all works. But the only problem is it doesn't match up with the numbering over here, right? So this is park, this is reverse, neutral, drive, low, and then low, low. I'm not sure what that gear is. I think it's 1, 2, drive, neutral, reverse, park. So that's what it is. We got 700 off. So right now, I'm actually going to be doing some wiring work today, hooking up the tack because I need to get this thing running. I may start hooking up these gauges. So I got to drill a hole in the firewall, run some wires through. I might have to head out to AutoZone or O'Reilly in just a bit and bring out some wiring here. I got to hook up the ground cable to the engine. I have to hook up our tack to our distributor cap here. I still have to hook up our TV cable to our throttle. So this is the kickdown cable for the transmission, right? That has to be hooked up around here. But we have our accelerator hooked up. Okay, this is our kickback spring here. But our accelerator is hooked up to our gas pedal, right? I have to change out this pulley to a double pulley. So this power steering pump got to come back out. I have the pulley right here. So we could actually have our alternator and power steering run at the same time. So I had to get some custom mounts for our brackets for our alternator, power steering pump. We're going to be eliminating the AC system for now because I want to upgrade to a newer AC system. Well, I want to upgrade to a smaller air compressor instead of that huge old one that was in here. So that's going to be done. Radiator is hooked up. Kids going nuts next door. Radiator is hooked up. Hoses are hooked up. Battery is hooked up to the starter. Okay, so this is hooked up. I still have to hook up our ground to the body, change this clamp out to this one right here, right? That's a simple fix. This was grounded to the engine. What else I got? So these are some of the wirings that I hook up. So that's pretty much it, guys. The whole underneath are cooler lines for our transmissions hooked up, radiators in, we got oil in it. And then we just got to bleed the new master cylinder, put that in, bleed the brakes, and she's ready to go. Yesterday, I actually got a big goal accomplished and replaced all of the body bushings between the body. So we had 6 of these on each side. Look at this thing. Okay, 6 of these on each side. Basically replaced them all. I got polyurethane and I got stock because some of these were giving me issues with fitment. So I got some stock ones, which are a softer bushing for the middle and rear end. But the front, we're running on polyurethane. Like if we look in here, you can see that bushing right there. If we look underneath, well, we can't even look underneath right now, so it's sitting really low. But I'll show you the back. I had to take the back bumper off to get to these bushings over here. So we got the brand new bushing right here. And what I'm gonna do after I get this sucker running is I'm gonna pull it out of the shop, wash all this down and hit it with undercoating, especially the frame underneath, get what I can. We got a new bushing right in there as well. If you can see that sucker. Let's see if we can see it right here. That's a new bushing right there. And there's another one that goes in the back. You guys want to see me raise this thing? Like I'll put some air in it right now. You can see the back come up. Type in the chat if you want to see a demo of that. We got a trunk full of brand new tires. Oops. So we got all the tires for it. We're going to be running some Cooper tires. Got them off Tire Rack. All brand new tires going to go on it. What else did we do? We got a custom shortened drive shaft that I put in. Let's see if we can get on. Yo, are we back? Let me know if we're back. Let me know if we're back. I kind of, maybe I was moving around too much. We should be back. So here is how the front end is sitting. If you guys can still see, give me some feedback. Cool. Yep, I got to make sure my TV cable's on the money. So underneath, we see the suspension for disc brakes. What I'm going to do is pull it to a exhaust and tire shop where they could basically connect my collectors and install the brand new Flowmaster mufflers on it. I'll just have them do that at one shot while it's on the lift. And then what I'll have them do is also do the tires. Balance the tires and get a front end alignment. So I'll have all that done at the shop. Hopefully you guys can see me here. Yo, are we still buffering? Are we good or what's the deal? Give me some quick feedback. Digitized. Well, I'll stop moving for a bit. Are we good? Let me know. On and off. That sucks. Okay, some people are saying good. Ronnie's saying good. Some people are saying we're not good. But now we're saying good. So that's pretty much it. My goal is to have it running by the weekend. We'll see how I do on that. I should be done soon. It's just another couple days of work. And then get the brakes. It's freaking. It's almost there. It's almost there. To crank up. Yeah, there's some wiring things I need to figure out because I haven't done this in a long time. What's up, Kent? I'm not sure if I have to hook up the electronic choke or not. I don't know. But I'll see. I'm going to have to look in the manual. Or the guide. Or do some YouTubing. to see exactly what I got to do for that. But here, I'll make a quick little, you guys wanted to see the back come up a little, so I'll show you. I'll kind of set this up to where you guys can see. See if I go lower here. Okay, let's try that. Oh God, that's bad. Okay, maybe I'll do that. Gone again, buffering again. How's that, guys? Is that okay? Is that okay, man? Hello? Can you hear me? Is anyone out there? Back now. Better. Okay, so I'm gonna put some air in this sucker. See what's up. So air shocks, super simple concept. All you do is replace the shocks and get air shocks. So let's go ahead and put some air in here, and you can keep your eye on this wheel well area. All right, I'm gonna put some air in it with an air chuck. Oh, you know what? I am low on air compressor air. Let's see if it does anything though. It's probably not moving as fast as it should. It's gonna get noisy. Waiting for the damn air. probably. Yo, connection's bad on that side, so fuck it. All right, guys. Anyway, guys. I'm gonna head out. I'll see you later. Peace out. Give a quick like before you head out. I am going to get back to work. I'm gonna get back to work. So as you can see, the back did go up. It went up like, I would say it probably travels up and down 2 inches. So that's how it's sitting. The front is a lot lower now. So if I drop the back, it'll kind of bring up the front, if you know what I mean. But that's like fully jacked up in the back. It's not that bad, actually. It's gonna look sweet. Well, it already looks sweet. It's gonna sound sweet. So I'll be back, guys. You will be around after I get this thing started. I'll get it running and then I'll do a crank, guys. So after the video, it says live send Chevelle gold star. Man, have a good